Welcome to Real Food, and today I'm going to review a Greek restaurant. It's called Kalamaki Street Greek. I'm using Deliveroo again, and the reason I fancied some Greek food is because around approximately at this time of the year, a couple of years ago, I visited Greece, and I did a tour of several islands and then also their mainland, including Athens. And I really enjoyed this tour. I might be able to show you a couple of pictures here. So I started my tour from Santorini, which is a small island, very rocky, but it's really beautiful. They've got lots of small churches, cafes, bars, restaurants, and it's got a very unique, beautiful architecture there. I remember, just like today, well, we've got a very rainy October day here in London, and I remember most of the time it was nice and sunny, even at this time in Greece. But on one of the days in Santorini, it was really rainy. It was raining all day, and I ventured out for a short hike, and I was soaking wet everywhere, So it was quite memorable experience. And then after Santorini, I took a boat. I sailed onto another island, and this next island is called Naxos. Naxos. It's a fairly big island, and again, I was in October there, which is end of season, so it wasn't very crowded, which I really enjoyed. So it was everything was still open, and the weather was still nice. I was able to even swim in the sea. But there weren't many tourists, so I could enjoy the island, and I did explore the island. There's many streets, lovely cafes, lovely Greek food. I really enjoyed that. And in Naxos, they've actually got lots of cats. So cats are clearly having a very good time there. So I took a couple of pictures of those gorgeous cats. And then, finally, after Naxos, I spent some time there. I traveled to Athens, to the mainland. And again, in Athens, I spent a lot of time hiking, walking, checking out the museums, architecture, and I really enjoyed Athens as well. It was, again, still very warm. I remember temperatures were getting plus 27 almost every single day. So I was wearing only a t-shirt and shorts or jeans, and I remember I was feeling really warm, and I was getting suntanned from my basically walks around Athens. So in Athens, I really enjoyed some Greek food again, and the shops and museums, marketplaces. It was really absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed it. So my tour of Greece turned very memorable and very enjoyable. So that's why today I fancied to get some Greek food. And because it's a rainy day, I didn't want to cook anything, so I ordered through Deliveroo again. So, and we probably need to go back to the actual food that I'm trying to review here. So this is a really nice place. They've got a really nice menu. So this is one of their cards. So I ordered a selection of things. So this is lamb. This is pulled lamb. So it's a portion of lamb just on its own, because many of the other items I ordered are salads, or oh yes, I ordered custard cream pie, Greek. I ordered two. I'm not greedy or anything, but it's just a cold day today. I might save one for later. So my main meal will be so this is tzatziki sauce. So my main meal is one of those Greek gorgeous Greek it's not a salad, it's more of a meal, really. There's grilled vegetables, there's falafel, there's a bit of salad, and there's a little bit more sauce. They do have several options there. There's one with meat, a chicken, you can choose. But I just wanted a falafel. I really fancied something authentic Greek. So I wanted falafel, and I ordered my a little bit of lamb separately. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it's just a portion of lamb. I think it's quite a nice size. Here we are. So pulled lamb separately. So I've got some of my protein there. And let me show you these Greek custard pies, because I ordered 2. Look at that. That's absolutely amazing. Looks really gorgeous. I have had them before, and they are really delicious. So they're very it's like some kind of puff pastry of phyllo pastry with custard cream inside. So this is going to be my Greek meal. Let me try one of the falafels and I'll tell you. Yummy. You can see some whole chickpeas in them. Gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely delicious. And let's try some of the lamb. Let's see. Yeah, it's very tender, very amazing. Really, really, really good. Just as I wanted. Here we are, and this is the delivery screen for Kalamaki Street Greek food from Covent Garden. So this is where I ordered my food today, and this is where you can also try and order. If you're in London, this is you can even visit this place. If you're somewhere else, you can search for them and see if they have a brunch maybe in your area. I will also show a couple of more screens to give you an idea of what's available on their menu. So it all starts with their souvlaki wraps. I imagine they're popular because there's a lot of them. There's 2 or 3 screens worth of these different souvlaki wraps, and you can see it starts with grilled pork, grilled chicken, and there are many other items. So you'll see on a second screen in a minute. Okay, on the second screen we've got more grilled chicken. We've got a very interesting pulled jackfruit vegan version. I actually missed this one when I was ordering. I'd certainly give it a go. Jackfruit is a very interesting fruit on its own, but to have it in a souvlaki like this definitely sounds quite interesting, and I would go for it next time. So we've got more wraps, and here we also have build your own box. So you can have a small box with a variety of Greek food thrown into it, and there's also a larger box which you can order and not bother selecting items yourself. I will also that they do have a fairly large number of different items available on the menu, and here we now have the proteins. I did order from this section. I didn't order these barbecued meats. They've got pork, chicken, halloumi, Greek sausage. But what I did order is actually on the next screen, on the second screen. I ordered pulled lamb, which was delicious. It was really, really good. So we're going to see that second screen in a minute. So, and here they're offering a selection of traditional meats, pulled beef, pork, chicken, and lamb. I ordered lamb, and it did come in a box, and it was literally just lamb. It was this pulled lamb that you see on the image here, and I really liked it. It was delicious, it was tender, it was well cooked, so it's a really good option. For example, if you're ordering salads and you just want a bit of meat, here you are, you can order it from here. So they've got now a selection of traditional Greek salads. So as you can see, there's a variety of different salads, but a lot of them feature feta. So there's cucumber, green pepper, some feta in many of these salads. So this is traditional Greek salad. So, in addition to salads, we're going to see more items in a minute. So, there's also additional snacks. And here we've got chips. They've got a fairly plain chips, salt and oregano, which is a good touch. Then they've got salt, spicy seasoning, so another variation. And we've got one with feta cheese. So this, I guess, will be Greek variety, and it's marked as either vegan or vegetarian. Then we've got more sides. We've got roasted vegetables here, calamari, fried halloumi, which sounds very Greek. And I didn't try anything from this menu, but next time I will definitely give it a try because they all look delicious, especially this halloumi. The halloumi, golden fried halloumi bites. Sounds very appetizing, so definitely next time. So, but that's not all. They've got a very long menu. They've got lots of dips for pita, and you can use them for other things. I, for example, ordered a tzatziki dip, which is marked as vegan or vegetarian. I didn't, there are also hummus dips, which are traditionally very Greek dips, and there are many other. There's aubergine, fluffy Greek pita. So there's quite a lot, and heavenly sauces. Look at this. There are lots of vegan options. Aioli, so that's an interesting one. There's a lot of aioli sauces. There's Kalamaki special sauce, which is their trademark, looks like. I should have given it a go, but maybe next time. There's lemon garlic aioli. There's Greek feta sauce. They all look absolutely fantastic. So not only you can order some Greek food here, you can also order these sauces and dips, or just these sauces and dips if you want them for something else. And my favorite, we've also got patisserie, Greek patisserie, and from this menu I did order the custard pie, $4.95, which is very nice. But I also see they've got spanakopita. I'm not sure why they put it into pastries. It is a pastry, I guess, but this is more of a savory item. So it's a traditional spinach and cheese pastry. And I had a lot of it in Greece, and it's a very traditional Greek snack. So I would highly recommend it. I'm a little surprised it's in this menu, because it's not sweet. It's definitely savory, and they've got a selection of soft drinks, which are of course very, very nice. But let me end my review here because it could go on forever. I hope you enjoyed my review of this Greek restaurant, and you liked some of my images from my trip to Greece. Let me wish you bon appetit and a good evening.